Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Xiaomi Buds 5 Pro with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click pair new device and after that open the charging case. If your earbuds don't connect it with another devices, it should enter to prank mode automatically, but we can also enter to prank mode manually. At the bottom of the charging case we have connectional button and you need to press and hold this connectional button. And now this LED light starts blinking and we can see also it at the device list. Tap on it and then click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!